Let's try and do something a little bit more sophisticated. Let's take these images, just grabbing them all, this text, Control C, and put them on this page. So now I kind of got the same things. What I want to do is to have a box in here where the user will type in the answer. And if it's right, that'll be correct, and if it's wrong, it won't. So, input box, that's where they're going to be typing their answer. Now, the computer isn't going to keep on looking for that little box. We need to give it the chance to know where to look. So let's go to a button, and let's simply get a button in place there, and just ask it, click. So your user is going to be expected to click here. And then when they click here, the computer is going to look. Okay, so when they click, the computer is going to look to see that if in the input.text equals mo, so input.text equals mo, then what we're going to do is to show that correct box text, and we are going to play that cheering noise. Okay, so let's just see if that works. Let's go to home, oops, let's go to review, run the page, and let's go for it. So I'm going to type in mo, and click. So let's just see if that really does work. Maybe it just works if you type in anything. Let's run the page again, and type in, I don't know, rabbit. If I type in rabbit, nothing happens. But let's just type in something else. If you type in mo, still got it wrong, because the computer doesn't know that a lowercase mo and an uppercase mo is the same thing. So we need to change it a little bit. Let's go here, go to right click, go to events, and this is where we change it so that whatever you do, it's always going to be seeing it as uppercase letters. So for that we need to put in a code, and the code would be upper. So let's go upper, and then the input text is now in brackets. This is all that's called syntax. It's about putting a program together correctly. So upper brackets input.text close brackets equals mo. So now it will recognize anything that goes in this box, and it will just turn it into capital letters. What you need to work out also is that if I had put mo down there is m lowercase o or lowercase m and o, then it will get completely confused and won't find anything right. So input text equals mo. Now that means that if I now run the page and type in mo with a lowercase, it still is going to be Now the final thing is, obviously we need to now be a lot more precise about our question, because if somebody put in Mo Farah, then, well, it wouldn't be right. And if they put Mo Farah and change this so you could add Mo Farah, which you could do, well, if the person spelt it just with one R instead of two, they would get it wrong as well. So we need to just be really sort of, so let's say, what is the first name of this famous person? So that means that they are going to just type in the first name, hopefully. So that is that.